Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to update your cart automatically on quantity increase or decrease using the Woocommerce Ajax Cart Plugin. This is incredibly useful if you want to provide a smoother shopping experience for your customers, eliminating the need for them to manually click Update Cart every time they adjust quantities. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to WordPress.com. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all your site's plugins and settings. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded list of options will appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the Plugins page where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. On the Plugins page, you'll see all the available plugins that you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Ajax Cart. From the results that appear, look for a plugin called Mini Ajax Cart for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it once it's activated. Once you're ready, click on Install. Now, the installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and give it time to complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Go ahead and click on it to enable the plugin on your site. Once your page refreshes, take a look at your left navigation panel. You'll notice that a new option has been added to your menu. Click on Mini Ajax Cart, and from the expanded menu that appears, click on Add New Mini Ajax Cart. This is where you'll configure the settings to make your cart automatically update whenever customers increase or decrease product quantities. Now, to enable the automatic cart update feature, click on the Cart Content section. Under Cart Content, click on Cart Products. Here, you'll see an option labeled Show Cart Quantity and Items. Simply toggle this option on to enable it. This setting ensures that any changes to product quantities are immediately reflected in the cart without requiring a manual refresh. Finally, click on Publish on the right side of your screen. This will save and apply all the changes and updates you've made. Your cart will now automatically update whenever customers adjust quantities, creating a seamless and efficient shopping experience. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic cart updates using the Woocommerce Ajax Cart plugin. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.